So, he's an ascended master. Okay, his task is to enlighten the people in his assigned area. Okay, all right. So, which is in the Middle East. Okay, so here's the thing. Be prepared. He's a yogi. Okay, he came from India. Okay. Okay, some of the stories that have been proliferated, whether it's through ancient texts and stuff like that, they're all made up. It was intentionally made up so that what he's really teaching will be erased and replaced by something that the system can use. Okay? So, use Flash. Okay? I don't want to use the term Hindu. Oh, but his teaching is originally Vedic. Okay? Now, his task in his area is to enlighten his people and free his people from slavery. Like anyone, like me and other people like me on this planet, our task is to teach and free people from being enslaved. Okay? So the main goal is freedom, real freedom, not fake freedom. Okay? When they say financial freedom, that's called fake freedom because you're still limited by the system, by the current system. Okay? So that's what he was trying to teach. Okay? Alright, so in my previous life, I actually met him. I was one of Master Yeshua's avid listeners. Okay. So I was able to witness him teach in public, and I've met his disciple Peter. Okay. So the Christians, okay, the first Christian